All right, everybody, Quilting Marine here. Finally got it done. It took 900 years to do it, but we got it out of the working bin, okay? So now we can move on to other projects. My wife is happy, she likes it, all right? And it's done, okay? Thank you. Thank you. It is done. Now we can move on to daisy cutter. All right, we're gonna get daisy cutter quilt done. Now that my wife's quilt's out the way, and we'll move on from there. But this quilt came out pretty good. It's got dust on it because it sat for so long. It sat for a while, okay? I have to admit, it was hanging on the door. I kept walking by it, and I was like, man, I gotta finish that. And my wife's like, where's my quilt? Where's my quilt? So we finally got it out of the way, all right? I'm working on so many things right now. There's so many things in my basket, my work basket. But this is done. I'm leaving it to her to IP and get all the strings off so we can move on, okay? We're moving on to daisy cutter. We got some parts done for daisy cutter, but those of you who are already quilters or already working on quilts, all it is a square and box, or whatever you call it. And we'll start with that, okay? What? So this stuff right here, this stuff is nice and soft, and it feels really nice, but avoid it at all risks, at all costs, okay? Because it was hard to work with. I'll admit, I'm not some super quilter, okay? And it was a challenge for me because it stretched, it did what it wanted to do and didn't do what I wanted it to do, and it was crazy. So I won't be working with this, whatever this extremely soft, fluffy fluff is, okay? I'm not working with this anymore. Well, at least not for a while, okay? Because I've never made a quilt for myself. I've always made quilts for others. I've always just made quilts and given them away. And I want to make one for myself. And the one that I'm going to try to make for myself will be a New York beauty. So we're going to get the other ones out of the way. All right, we got daisy cutter, and then we have tough guy, and then we're going to do a project with you being involved, and then I'm going to try to do a New York beauty. All right, T-Quilts made it look so easy. I know it's not, though, for me at least, but I want to make a New York beauty for myself, and then we'll go on from there, okay? But the Pimped Out Pinwheel, or the fading pinwheel, disappearing pinwheel is done. All right, that's how long I've been away, okay? I'm forgetting everything, easy terms and techniques. Remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.